What do we have here? It looks like we have some asymmetrical adduster stacking that we do. I know, I have a solution that I do. There we go. This will do it. That's the problem with tools that are attached to a wire. The wire is never long enough. Tell you what I wish I had. I wish I had a cordless blower. That I do. Oh, like magic will appear near my feet. Oh, blimey, the wish has come true. I think that's what it is. Oh, yes. It's a 2 times 20 volt brushless leaf blower, for which that is as well. But it's not brushless. No, this one happens to have a wire attached. It's very annoying. All right? Now, I use a blower in my workshop for having a quick old clean up and that, you know, and you can push a lot of a volume of air away from you, which is always a good thing instead of breathing it in. You just get it in and get out the door if you want to do it in a hurry. And I use a blower for that. So when they sent me this, I was quite interested actually. This one was by Litheli. And I haven't heard of Litheli before, but let's look. Yeah, I'm curious. So shall we go and have a look? Where is my sharp device? I've got a sharp device here. I have. Yeah, oh, it's sticky. Oh, that's okay. Right, shall we have a look? What's inside there? All right. I know it's a blower because it's got a picture of a blower on the front there. All right. And it's been sent to me by Litheli, and it's one according to this, the Good Design Award for 2023. It does look rather cool, and it appears to have 2 batteries, not 1. So it's 40 watt and not 20 volt. Not what? I mean, yeah, it's 40 volts instead of 20 volts. So, yeah, it's got in English, Netherlands, French, Spanish and German on the front here. Powerful and durable with low noise a brushless motor. Aerospace grade air tube design for strong airflow. Released. We all need aerospace grade air tube design for strong airflow sometimes, don't we? Just for that release. Now, lightweight body for stable handheld operation. Detachable air tube for convenient storage. Affinity power share for efficient cross-scenario energy utilisation. That is a long-winded way of saying that the batteries can be used in other Litheli tools. Right? A bit like, I suppose, like the Ryobi one tool, or you got the Parkside using all the same batteries, and obviously a lot of other brands as well. It does look really nice, actually, on there, doesn't it? I wonder if it's as good as it looks. Now, it is a leaf blower, okay? It's really primarily designed for the yard, for the garden, and, you know, especially this time of year in autumn, there's leaves everywhere. I'll demonstrate that another time. I might even do it today, I don't know. Well, I will be making some more videos, so maybe another time. But I will demonstrate on my asymmetrical pile of dust, alright? And maybe some more dust around the place, and I'll bring you with me. So let's have a look what we've got in here, alright? I'm sitting down, so I've got to move the camera, you see. I don't normally sit down while I'm working. Now, over here we have a box. A little box here, alright? That's heavy. So I imagine that will be the batteries. Let's have a look. I've got a table there as well. I do get a bit excited when people send me stuff. I love it, you know? I do like it. It's fun. It's fun. Oh, yeah. So what we've got here is we've got 2 batteries. Oh, God, they're 4 amp hour as well. 2 4 amp hour 20 volt batteries. I've got a sneaky suspicion it doesn't come with an actual charger. It is USB charging. I'm not so keen on that because it's going to be your speed of charge will be very reliant on the charger that you're using to charge it. And you're really going to need quite a powerful charger, really, because it's 4 amp hour. That's 20,000 milliamp hours. Now, what we got here? We've got it comes with 2 USB-C charge cables, and what's that join in there? Oh, that's interesting. You can adapt them, so they come with you've got your standard USB, USB-A, and then it goes on to USB-C like so. So that's cool. So that makes it multi kind of versatile regarding your USB charger. So you get 2 of those, quite nice quality. They're braided, and the batteries themselves. Have a look at that. Oh, it's shiny. It's all shiny, it is, yeah. And it says there 20,000 milliamp hour, 4 amp hour Litheli batteries. where it's made. Probably made in China, most things are. I'm looking. Well, it doesn't say if it's made in China, but it does say it's an arm of, mainland Germany, Frankfurt. Oh, interesting. I will look in more detail in a minute where it's actually made, but it's a German brand. And I like German brands, I do. So it's one power, many tools, it says on here. So they do a whole array of other stuff, which I don't recognise some of it. I don't know what that is. I don't know what that looks like. A spray gun, some type. So you've got angle grinders, you've got chainsaws, edge cutters, trimmers, brush cutters, and lawn mowers as well. Grass cutters. That looks like possibly a stapler of some description. A pump, maybe. I don't know. Maybe it's a pump. I'm not sure. Anyway, they do a load more tools. And should I look at the main beast? Comes with instructions. We might look at that later. All right, let me get a quick like that. And we've got a tube. Got to have a tube, all right? Don't worry, it's not a cardboard tube. All right, let's remove the box out of the way. It's kind of in the way now, isn't it? All right. Are we having fun? I hope so. I'm quite excited. I like things that create a lot of wind, you see. Yeah. Except the actual wind itself, because it blows tiles off the roof. Okay, that's fairly good quality. It's even got sight on it, look, so you can sight it up. It's like a boat. Hello! It's like a barrel! That is. And in here we have, the star of the show. That we do. And that too, it's actually really nice. It reminds me of some other well-known brands, okay? I'm not going to say their name on here, but I see. So there's a button on here for max speed. You got your turbo button. It's a max speed button. What if it's got an ejector seat? No, you don't. Oh, you can't ride it. That's disappointing. But you could try. See how far you get. All right. So that obviously goes on there, and there's a little button on top there. See that? Just snap it into place. Oh, cool. Oh, it isn't a sight because it's on the bottom, so it's something to rest on. See? Right, so should we install the batteries? Let's see if we can get rid of this dust. I should really be wearing a mask, by the way. All right, so the batteries. These are interesting. We might want to look into this further. You got the. I think they probably do a proper charger for it. So that is a possibility because you have two contacts in there, but also obviously the contacts are inside there. So where it does not, I don't know. I don't know how quickly it charges using your chargers that you might have, because it depends on the wattage and your output of your charger. So obviously the bigger charger you've got, the quicker it's going to be to charge this. Now, I see on here there is a USB-A on there. Does that mean you can actually use this to power a device? That would be another video. Could you use these as a power bank? I might be wrong, but maybe I need to look in the instructions. I might tell you in there, but I'm not going to do that now because you'll get bored of me looking for the instructions trying to find it. I'll do that in a short video. One of the little vertical shorts. Because I'm not editing this video. We're just doing it, just like this. I hope that's okay with you. Okay, let's see which way it goes round. In this case, it goes that way round. Oh, they snap in like so. How do you get them out then? Oh, there's a button on the back here. Do you know what? I fancy a bit of toast. Yeah, that's what it's like. It goes, around. Yeah, and you got to wait for your toast to cook, and then it'll pop. Oh, can I have some marmalade? All right. Oh, you've got charge indicators on the top on each battery, as you can see there. All right, so at the moment it's fully charged. So that's good. It's fully charged. That's handy. And you've got your instructions and obviously the declaration of conformity. I would like to know where it was actually made. It must say on there somewhere. I know it says it's a Germany in Frankfurt. I'll go at the back here somewhere maybe. Can't see it at the moment. Oh, it should be on here somewhere, shouldn't it? There'll be a... here we go. Oh, I've got a speck on the back end. I've got a tiny little writing. I've got the right glasses on for that. I will find out and I'll make another... I'll add it in the next video. But it feels solid. It's nicely made. It's not, I wouldn't say it's necessarily made for a workshop environment. It's too nice. It's kind of like space agey, isn't it? It's brushless, you've got this like this jet arrangement on the back here. That looks pretty cool. Alright. Oh, should we turn it on and see what happens? Ooh! Ooh! Can you hear it? All the dust just came off my microphone. Right, so, let's move these out of the way because we need to test it on the dust. That we do. It's quiet. I think that is pretty quiet. Yeah, I just realised. It's not noisy. Not noisy at all. Normally these things, they scream. Listen to this. This one here, alright? It's that. Loads quieter. And a more pleasant noise. Right, in case I blow my chisel away, I'll be like playing darts with it. Right, here we go. You ready? Oh, I've got the Turbo Max on there as well. So I'll do it without the turbo. Whoa, look at that! Whoa, did he need a turbo? Oh, yeah. And it's gone. Should I have a look at the turbo? Tell you what, let's take you with me. Oh, this is like too much fun. This is like, yes, this is like too much fun. Where should we go now? Let's go this way, alright? There we go, look. Oh, I like it. Oh, look how good this is. Blimey. It's so cool. Blowing everything away. Oh, crikey. Oh, everything down. Oh, there you go. Oh, there's my pencil. Let it clean. We're at it. Oh, over here we go. Oh, blimey. Oh, look, it's spotless now. I'll tell you what, I'll take it now, shall I? And tell the missus I'm doing a bit of dusting. Do you think she'll be impressed? Probably not. Now, it is obviously a leaf blower, but anyone who works in this sort of environment probably has some form of blower in their workshop. That is so quiet and effective. The actual amount of air it's pushing is greater than that little noisy thing I showed you a minute ago. And that's without the turbo. Let's try turbo. Oh my god! Oh! Oh my goodness! Oh my Gideon! Oh crap, it's blowing everything over. Oh dear. Oh dear. Okay, let's pick that up. Oh, tragedy. It's a tragedy. Oh, anyway. Oh, I'll make some short videos later, you know. Using the Litheli blower. But this one here. I am so impressed. And that turbo. Wow. And without a turbo. That's enough, to be honest. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed my little video. I'll leave a link down below if you do want to consider buying one of these. Yeah, pretty cool. Now, it is a sponsored video because they've sent me, Litheli has sent it to me. So, yeah, they'll let me keep it. But, and I would certainly be using it. That I will. But it's no money's exchanged hands. No. Anyway, have a lovely day and get yourself a Litheli blower. It's fun. I'm going to be blowing everything with that. Toodaloo. Links down below.